So student, I am explaining this regrouping. Okay, so you have to listen very carefully. So here we have to regroup tens to ones. Okay, we have to exchange tens to ones. Okay, so first we are having 1 10 and 3 ones. Okay, 1 10 and 3 ones. So we can arrange these numbers like this: 1 in the tens place and 3 in the ones place. Okay, so 1 10 and 3 ones. So how can we have to show regrouping by filling the color in these boxes. Okay, so 1 10 and 3 ones we have. So for tens we'll take the blue color. Okay, you can take any color, so I'm taking here blue color for this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 110 I have filled. 110 means 10 ones. Okay, so that's why I'm filling 10 squares here. Now I have 3 ones, so for ones I will take another color. Okay, I'm taking red color here for 3 ones, so I will fill 3 squares here. 1 2 3. Okay, so 110 I filled and 3 ones I filled. Okay, so now let's regroup this 110 and 3 ones. So I told you how to regroup. So we borrow 110 from the tens place digit. Okay, so here we have 3 at ones place. Okay, 1 I have taken from this side. Okay, I have 110, so I have taken out 110 from here and put it here. Okay, so it will become 13 ones, and here 0 left only. So 110 and 3 ones is same as 13 ones. Okay, is same as 13 ones. So now I have to fill here in this ones. How many ones we have? 13 ones. So let's fill with red color here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, here I have filled 110 and 3 ones. 110 and 3 ones. Okay, now after regrouping this 110 3 ones, after regrouping we will get 13 ones. So 13 ones we will color here, 13 squares. Okay, so now count these how many you have filled here and how many you have filled here. Okay, so here total we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So here total 13 box 13 squares we have filled. Okay, now let's count here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Here also 13. Okay students, here also we have filled 13. So both are same. Either we can write 110 and 3 ones, or we can write 13 ones. Okay, 110 and 3 ones is equals to 13 ones. Now I'm doing this one, so look it very carefully. Here we have 3 tens and 1 1. Okay, 3 tens and 1 1. So first I will fill squares here. Okay, so for 3 tens I will fill with the blue color. Okay, 3 tens equals to 30. Okay, so 30 squares we have to fill first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. Okay, and we have 1 1. Only we have 1 1. So 1 square we have filled, we will fill with the red color. Okay, now how many are there in total? So 30 we have filled with blue color and 1 red. So 30 plus 1 31. So here we have filled 31 squares. Okay, now let's regroup this. So for regrouping we will borrow 1 from the tens place. So here we have 1 here at ones place. Now take 1 from this side, so it will become 11. Now here what will left after taking out 1? 3 minus 1 2. Okay, here 2 will left. So 3 tens and 1 1 is same as 2 tens and 11 ones. Now after regrouping we have 2 tens and 11 ones. So here we have already filled. How we have filled? 3 tens and 1 1. Now we will fill 2 tens and 11 ones. So I will take red color for this here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, means 2 tens. So we have filled 2 tens. Now we have to fill 11 more. Okay, squares. So let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, now here how many we have filled? 31. So count these also, so we will get 31 here. Okay, here also we have filled 31. So both are same. Okay, if we regroup 3 tens and 1 1, we will get 2 tens and 11 ones. So both are same. 3 tens and 1 1 is equals to 2 tens and 11 ones. Okay, if we arrange, if we regroup the numbers, there is no change. Okay, in numbers. Yes, understood, students? Yes.
Sir, you have taught it yesterday too.
Yes, I am just explaining again.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Have you all understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So student, I gave you homework, some question in worksheet 2. Have you all done? Is there any problem in worksheet 2?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so student, now we are going to start worksheet 3. So everyone open your book and open page number 25. So today we will do worksheet 3. Laiba Khan. Okay, once again I am explaining. Okay, so listen very carefully, those who have not understood it. Here we have 1 10 and 5 ones. This I am telling you. Okay, here we have 1 10 and 5 ones. So first we will fill the squares in this. Okay, so we have 1 10. 1 10 means 1 10 equals to 10 ones. So 10 we will fill with the blue color here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now we have 5 ones. So now 5 ones we will fill with red color. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 squares we have to fill with red color. Now count total: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, so here we have filled 15 squares. Okay, so now we have 1 at 10th place and 5 at 1st place. So now we have to regroup it. So for regrouping we will borrow 1 from the 10th place. Here we have 5 ones, 1 10 we will take from this side. So 1 10 and 5 ones, 15 ones. Okay, here how much left? 0 only. Okay, so after regrouping 1 10 and 5 ones we will get 15 ones. Okay, so 1 10 and 5 ones is same as 15 ones. Let's see how. So 1 10 and 5 ones is equals to 15 ones. Now in this we have to fill 15 boxes. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, both are same here. 15 we have colored here and 15 here. Okay, so 1 10 and 5 ones is same as 15 ones. Okay, here we have colored 1 10 and 5 ones, here we have colored 15 ones, so both are 15 15. Okay, so when we regroup 1 10 and 5 ones, we will get 15 ones. Now here, come here, worksheet 3, page number 25. So what we have to do here? Here mixed practice of subtraction. Okay, mixed type of problems are there. Here we have to regroup in some questions, and we don't have to regroup. Okay, so subtract, then shade the boxes where you did not regroup. Okay, to help Bunny find the road to the carrots. Okay, so this is Bunny. Okay, this rabbit, its name is Bunny, and he has to reach here. He has to reach here. Okay, for finding carrots. So we have to make road to help this to reach to the carrots. Okay, so we have to shade only those problems where we do not have to regroup. Okay, so let's see here. First one, 7 minus 6. So 6 we can easily subtract from 7, so there is no need to regroup in this. Okay, so directly we can subtract 6 from 7. 7 minus 6 is 1, and now 7 we can write as it is. So 77 minus 6 is 71. So in this we didn't regroup, so that's why we will shade this. Okay, you can shade with the pencil. Okay, like this you have to shade. Okay, now look here, second one, 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3, so write 3 at one's place. Now 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1 is 5. So in this there is no need for regrouping. Okay, there is no need for borrowing from the tens place digit, so this also we will shade with the pencil. Okay, now look at the third one. Here we have to subtract 8 from 50. Okay, so let's subtract from the ones place. So at ones place the minuend is 0, and here 8. If the minuend is lesser than the subtrahend, then we need to regroup. Okay, we can't subtract 8 from 0 here, so in this we need to regroup it. Okay, so at ones place what we have? 0. 1 we have taken from this side, so it will become 10. Now here what will left? Yes students, what will be left at tens place after taking 1?
3.
How beta 5 is there?
The 4. The 3. The 4.
4 will left only, because it is 5 na at tens place. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, at tens place how many? 5. So we have taken out 1 from 5, so cross 1. So how many left? 4 only, so here 4 will left. So now 10 minus 8, so we can easily subtract 8 from 10 now. So 10 minus 8 is 2, we will write 2 at one's place. Now 4 we will write as it is. Okay, so here we have done regrouping. Okay, in this we have done regrouping, that's why we will not shade this box. Okay, we will not shade this box. So like this you have to solve this, and then after shading, okay, in which you have in which you have not regrouped, you have to shade that box and you will get a road. Okay, understood? Yes students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, we have to shade
Yes
the
beta.
full column.
Yes, with pencil you can shade by using pencil. Okay, don't shade with the color,
Okay, sir.
don't shade with the color, shade with pencil only, then you will get a road. Okay, to reach carrots. Yes Saida Amin Ashraf,
Sir. Yes, sir.
do you want to ask something?
No, sir.
Have you understood it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aisha Shamim.
Yes, sir.
Yes, do you want to ask?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Harish Kamar,
No.
Mariam Mudassir.
Yes, sir.
Yes beta. Walaikum salam. Yes, understood.
Yes.
Okay, student, you have to shade only those boxes in which you need not regrouping. Okay, Fatima Suleiman. Yes beta, tell 11 part 11th. 50 minus 41. Yeah. Yes, what will come here? 50 minus 41. Your voice is not coming. Yes, speak loudly.
9.
Yes, so have you shared this box or not?
Yes, sir.
Have you shared this? Why beta? In this you have to regroup now,
Yes, sir.
because we can't subtract 1 from 0, that's why we need to regroup this. Okay, that's why we will not shade this box. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay.
yeah, you have to shade only those in which you have not done regrouping. Osama Wamik Khan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 12th part. 97 minus 60.
37.
Very good. So regrouping is needed here. Yes.
No, sir.
Very good.
No.
So it means you have to shade it or not?
Shade it.
Yes, very good.